Hello friends, here I am with an amazing recipe, bakery style mouth-watering appetizer paneer puffs in air fryer. It's a savory snack made with puff pastry sheet and paneer filling. It's so addictive, comes out super crispy flaky puffs with delicious paneer filling in every bite. Enjoy these super tasty paneer puffs with your kids and family. Kids will definitely love these puffs. Makes a perfect appetizer for parties too. As you know, air frying makes it so easy and much faster than oven. The best part is you can freeze the puffs and ready to air fry when needed. It's so handy. Let's get started. This recipe is for 10 puffs. So I took around 250 grams of paneer. First start grating the paneer. Once done, keep it aside. Now heat a pan. I'm going to use very less oil. Just half a teaspoon oil is enough, as pastry sheets will have more butter. If you notice, too much paneer is also not good. So let's balance with onions. Add 3/4 cup onions. Half a teaspoon salt. Add little turmeric. Now saute for 2 minutes. Let's add rest of the spices. Add quarter teaspoon chili powder, quarter teaspoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon chaat masala, half a teaspoon pepper powder, quarter teaspoon cumin powder. Mix this all. Saute on medium flame until fried nicely. Now add grated paneer. Paneer doesn't need to be cooked longer, so cook for 2 minutes to blend paneer well with the spices. Let it cool down. Now keep puff pastry sheets ready. Dust some flour to avoid sheet sticking. I'm using wheat flour. Place the sheet and cut into 3 parts. Again dust a little flour and keep the pastry sheet. Roll on edges to stretch a bit. Add paneer filling in the middle. Apply water on edges. Start folding all 4 sides and seal well. Repeat the same for rest of the puffs. Now puffs are ready for air frying. If you want to freeze the puffs, you can freeze these now, right before giving the milk wash. Air fry later whenever you want, so easily. Let's see air frying. Brush air fryer tray lightly with oil. Place the puffs on tray. Do not overcrowd. Now it's time for milk wash. Take some milk and start brushing on top. Milk wash gives nice golden color. You can try egg wash too, but here I'm keeping it all vegetarian. Keep the tray in middle row of the air fryer. Air fry at 390 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. It preheats for 4 minutes first and then 2-minute timer starts. Once the timer is done, take the puffs out. Look at the beautiful golden color on top with milk wash. Flip the puffs and place again in air fryer. Now air fry at 360 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. Once the timer is done, puffs are ready to serve. As you see, both sides got air fried perfectly. Try this out, you will be amazed with its taste. Enjoy these super tasty paneer puffs with your kids and family. Hope you like my recipe and tips. See you again with many more varieties and healthy options. Thanks for watching.